Hello children, welcome to English class. Today in our class we are going to learn conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A conjunction links words, phrases and clauses. A conjunction is like glue. It helps things to stick together. Children, we all know glue, isn't it? Why do you use glue? We use glue to stick or to join the things together. The same way in English grammar we use conjunctions. Conjunction join words, phrases and sentences. Conjunctions are joining words. They join words or sentences. Examples of conjunctions are because, for, or, but, so, yet, and. Now children, we are going to learn the usage of these conjunctions. Here you can observe a table of conjunctions and the usage along with examples. Let's have a look of it. The first conjunction is and. And is used to join words or sentences that show a similar idea. Example, I have a pencil and an eraser. She has a bat and a ball. We use conjunction and to join two similar ideas. To join two similar ideas, children, we use conjunction and. The second conjunction is but. But is used to join two ideas that are opposites. To join two opposite ideas, we use conjunction but. Example, Param is poor but he is happy. He fell into the drain but was not hurt. Next conjunction is because. Because is used to show reason. Example, I did not go swimming because it was raining. We could not sleep because it was too hot. And the fourth conjunction is so. So is used to show result. Example, it was raining, so the game was cancelled. She studied hard, so she passed the test. Conjunction or. Or is used to show a choice. Example, do you prefer tea or coffee? You can order pizza or fried chicken. Conjunction if. If is used to show condition. I will not go if Cindy goes. If you see Darus, tell him that Mrs. Tan wants to see him. And children listen. Conjunction and is used to join two similar ideas. And but is used to join two opposite ideas. Because is used to show reason. To show result, we use conjunction so. Or is used to show a choice. And to show a condition, we use conjunction if. And now the last conjunction but not the least is yet. It is used to add information in the sentence. It also used to present contrast or exceptional. It has the same function with but. Example, Pavo plays basketball well, yet he likes playing Barbie dolls more. She is very young, yet she has written a storybook. Children, we use conjunction yet to join two opposite things. Now we have an exercise to revise, children. Let's complete this. Complete these sentences using the appropriate conjunction because, so, yet, but, or, if. The first sentence is, he began the job late, dash, he completed it on time. Began the job late, completed it on time. These two are the opposite things. To join two opposite things, what is the conjunction we use, children? Yeah, conjunction yet. So, the answer here is yet. Second sentence. The team will win, dash, the top batsmen and bowlers do well. Team will win. When the team win, the top batsmen and bowlers do well. So here it is expressing a condition. To show a condition, what is the conjunction we use? Yeah, it's if. So the answer is if. Third sentence. The plant is growing quickly. Dash, it gets water and plenty of sunshine. Gets water and plenty of sunshine. It's a reason. Then what is the conjunction to show reason? Yeah, it's because. The fourth sentence. Would you like to stay longer? Dash, leave soon. Stay longer, leave soon. Here there are two things and here it is showing a choice. To show a choice, what is the condition? What is the conjunction? It is or. So the answer is or. Stay longer or leave soon. Fifth, she is very caring and kind. Dash, she is quick to get angry. Caring and kind. Quick to get angry. These two are the two opposite ideas. To express two opposite ideas, the conjunction is but. Sixth sentence. We missed the train, dash, we decided to take the bus. Here it is expressing a result. To express a result, what is the conjunction, children? Yeah, good. It is so. Hope everyone understood, children. Thank you.